Ask not what Sierra Leone can do for you, but ask what you can do for Sierra Leone. Hope for Youths members across the world. This is Dr. Hycy Bull, the CEO and founder of Hope for Youths. They come with a message that I will title Cassada Economics. Today, November 1, 2022. As on all the see, the Moyamba experience of Cassada and Gai production. Nine are the metaphor for this message of how agriculture could change and build our beautiful Mama Salon. I know that today youths not believe that agriculture is the gateway for the success of Sierra Leone, but today I can explain to her how that little farm, na Moyamba, the change, the economy, and impact the economy of Sierra Leone. Hope by itself is not just a word. Hope, the H means the hope for all youths of Sierra Leone. The O is for the opportunities. The P is for the possibilities. And the E is for empowerment. The Moyamba chapter don't show you and give we the blueprint on how we could use agriculture for make Sierra Leone sustainable and build an economy that is so strong that will make us less dependent on external resources. So waiting now this Cassada economy where they can talk about to you. So now let me think of the entire process of how we started this in 2022. The youths then in Moyamba decide they want to do agriculture. So how did it contribute to the economy at that time? Well, first of all, they get for buy cutlass, then get for buy hoe, then get for buy cassada ticket. So immediately we contributed to the economy for the people the way they make the cutlass, for the people the way they make the hoe them, and for the people the way they plant the cassada. The labor at that time was free, but we give labor as part of the process. After we don't plant, we will get for weed the cassada farm for let it grow. So how does cassada farm contribute to the economy? Well, it gets to a point where we will get for hire people then, where they go weed the cassada farm, let not turn bush. And by so doing, this one grain cassada farm put money in the pockets of people then as they go along. So now we don't reach the time for harvest. How did this cassada farm impact the economy of Sierra Leone? Well, first of all, for let we harvest the cassada farm, we get for hire the villagers then around, as on as seen at the video, we hire 10 women. This cassada farm give jobs to 10 women then, where they all work now for peel the cassada, cut the cassada, and stack it. Also, this cassada farm hire 2 laborer men then, where they all work now for dig the cassada, put in a bag, bring a car. And not to that no more. This cassada farm also hire somebody with sabi make gai, and this person come with 2 more persons. So as soon as I can see, this cassada farm, this small farm by itself, already don't hire close to 20 people, we not to government work, These are the Cassada work number 9 and take high. But now we look at this Cassada farm also contributes to the economy. Well, we may need some more hold them for dig. We need pan them for let them go put the Cassada inside. We need bag them for let them go bag the Cassada. We need Cassada nef for let them go peel the Cassada. We need tarpaulin for let them go spread the Cassada for let them dry. And all them here and till the way we buy. And by buying something, this same Cassada farm, they contribute to the economy. It make we able for buy things. So that way they sell tarpaulin, they make, because of them, the Cassada farm allow them for sale. Okay? And then now they sell the bag then. If this Cassada farm not in there, they're not able to sell the bag. And then we don't bag all the Cassada farm there, the bag there, we may get for transport them. Now come now the Okada man, as soon as see, we use Okada. And now Okada they now, that man they now will get for pay instead to contribute to the economy. And it not just drive go there, it buy petrol. So because the Cassada farm make a buy petrol, this Cassada farm contributes to other they sell petrol, and that possibly they sell petrol. Now all the attendants the way they we, because they sell petrol, they pay them, and the possibly get the petrol station inside they make profit, and the petroleum government they make profit, and the government will pull tax back for that. And this one Cassada farm don't contribute for all anything and they in little ways that because the Okada man will get for buy petrol, and the Okada man self now will get for pay for can go from one place to the other. Also then get the Cassada go, also they go make them, we get for pay for that place too. So that place they may sit down, the person don't mean they make money, but this one Cassada farm can help that person now for let renting space for let them go make the Cassada day. And the person where they grind the Cassada, the grinder, they may sit down and not get work for do, but when this Cassada farm can, it can't get work for do, and we pay him for grind the Cassada. So instead, as a result of now one green Cassada take home in chook na this farm now, would often work for that person. So now the people now will benefit from this Cassada farm from now will be harvest. It already reach 20 to go 25 people. But this small Cassada farm will impact the economy. Then the villager now they all able to eat. All in Cassada will see the half Cassada. Then self now we able to feed the village with the leftovers of the Cassada and the one they will pick. So not only are we providing to the economy, we're providing food supply, we're not free to these villagers the way they did because it don't impact them in many ways. And so as we go forward now, we're ready for patch the Cassada. The more they patch the Cassada, we get for pay. Okay? We pay for their patch the Cassada. So I mean they not get work for do, but now because of this one Cassada farm now where they patch the Cassada, instead not only they get money for the Cassada, instead they go get gari we go eat for go. The gari we get for packet, okay? And put on a packet. Now na packet the man they sell them na tongue, they say na near Hycy dockyard or Hycy junction, na the factory they make plastic. Then self now we don't contribute to them because we go buy plastic. So this one gari, this one Cassada farm, don't impact. They don't reach free tongue now. They don't reach Hycy because that money now they can sell in plastic. Okay? We sell that plastic there, we take that plastic there, we carry and go Moyamba. That plastic they get for ride number to car, we get for pay lorry driver for let them go left farm. This same Cassada farm now lorry driver, they say they can get only the money from this one Cassada farm, where we care go there. We reach there, we get for packet the Cassada, the guy where they make a now we get for pay people and back. For let them packet the guy, fine one, and then label them. And when they don't packet them back, we get for pay for let them transport Okada back or lorry get for cam. We now, this same Cassada now, it affects not only lorry driver getting money, but petrol and they sell the petrol. It impacts them back so that they go able to move the Cassada to the distributor. And then they get people and now they wait for the Cassada. We go buy them wholesale. We just have to go sell and make profit. So this Cassada now, not only this guy now, the impact that, it impact people in business. The businessman, the middleman come in between. Now because of this Cassada farm, the guy now, they can make profit by this guy, where himself go sell, where people can go buy, where people can go eat. Now because we make this Cassada farm, now there's going to be food for a lot of people. We'll not be there if we not make this cassava farm. So people, down the way they will eat this garri now, not the grown will say it's not in the country, because they see a source of food whether they buy, whether they eat. And this cassava farm now, they help the economy, because now people are able to learn from this garri, where they go make extra money. And that money now, some man where don't sell wholesale, it go keep on the bank. Now, the bank manager themselves now, the bank self get, because of this cassava farm, they go keep their profits in the bank. And because they go keep on the bank, they might keep the money in the bank, the banker, they self they get for pay them because they secure people the money. And that money then now they go keep, then they take lend other people then. We, the other people in there, them businessmen now, they self they go turn them for expand other business then we don't talk cassava farm. Now, the people that already eat the cassava, them musician, them comedian, them soccer player, them mama and papa, them picking them, they can benefit from this. And from this guy, where they make, well, then they sell kaya, they can profit from that. And you know they make kaya if you not get granite. So then people only make granite, they set the benefit because now they get plenty guy where they go make kaya. And you know they make kaya, you know sell put sugar. So then they sell sugar now. So my sugar they can sell now because we can get more guy. So mine and granite they can sell because we can get more guy. And now that they will get kaya for sale, they can make more business. They will get money where people can go eat, where they go enjoy, where they go do. So if you see how one grain product, one small farm, na Moyamba, how we get national implications. So the agriculture, now the backbone behind with salon economy. For let us understand that what it means is to make a difference, and collectively let we work one youth at a time, one village at a time, one town at a time, one chiefdom at a time, one district at a time. And collectively, if all the districts and the towns get one small farm, where they grow, you could see the impact on the national economy. This Moyamba Cassada farm, we could see the impact that it gets all sectors of the economy, and it provides food for all sectors of the people in a very symbolic way. So youths of Sierra Leone, I say to you, ask not what salon can do for you, but ask what you can do for salon. And agriculture, now the backbone of the economy. Because without agriculture, you not get trained for go sing music. Without agriculture, you not get trained for be comedian. Without agriculture, you not get trained for be a soccer player. Without agriculture, you not get trained for go ride Okada. Without agriculture, you not get trained for work in an office and government office. And you not get trained for go do top up. So, the message to honor, this experiment, the Moyamba experiment, and the Cassada economy, for teach on a lesson that back to basics in agriculture is what we need in Sierra Leone. If Moyamba can do it, Makeni can do it. If Bombali can do it, Tonkolivi can do it. If Tonkolivi can do it, Kono can do it. If Kono can do it, Kenema, Kalan, Go, Pujo, Bon, Putloko, and Frita, we all can do something to impact this economy in a different way. So, these are the messages on the Cassada Economics that will save Sierra Leone, a metaphor for agriculture. Let God bless you all. God bless all for you. You are take care. We love you all. One youth at a time, one Cassada tick at a time. Let's build the economy.
Don't give up your faith. Hope for Youths Sierra Leone. Don't come in this time. In this